Okay, good morning and welcome back. 8th B Maths class 7.1, 7.2. Yesterday we have done 7.3. If 15 workers can build a wall in 48 hours, how many workers will be required to do the same work in 30 hours? Worker and hours, number of hours are inversely proportional to each other because more worker will be there, so the work will be finished early. So more worker, number of worker will be more, so the time will be less. If the worker will be less, they will take the more time. So inverse. So workers time in hours. So worker and time. So if 15 workers are there, they will take 48 hours. But we want to complete in 30 hours. So how much worker we need? So worker inversely proportional to the time. So the worker is equal to K by T. So WT it is K. WT it is K. 2 times because here W is equal to 5. T is equal to 48. So 5 into 48. Any number you have to multiply with 5. Put a 0, make it half. Put a 0, make it half. So it is 240. It is K. Now see. Okay. Say yes. Okay. Now this will be more clear. Now see. Clear? So now W is a question. T is 30. K is 240. So W T 240. Please. So number of worker require 8. This is the 7.3 second sum. Now third sum. 120 bags of half liter milk can be filled by a machine in 3 minutes. The time to be filled such 180 bag will be how much? So number of bags and time required directly proportional. Bags time in minute. Okay, when we want to fill 120 bag, it take only 3 minutes. If we want 1800 bag, how much minute? Here B and T. B directly proportional to T. B T is KT. So B is 120. T is 3. So 120 it is K into 3. K it is 120 by 3. K it is this. K we got. Now here again B is equal to KT. B is given. K is 40. T is question. Half of half 45. And in this first question I have not done because it is cancelled under 25% reduced syllabus. So the time required it is 45 minutes. Car with the speed of 60 km per hour take 8 hours to travel some distance. What should be the increase in the speed if same distance is to be covered in 7.5 hours? We want to reduce the time. So if you want to reduce the time, you have to increase the speed. So speed and time both are inversely proportional to each other. Speed kilometer per hour. This is only hour. 60 kilometer in 8 hours. This is 7.5 hours. How much speed we want? Then they have asked how much we have to increase. Suppose the answer is 62. 60 is already there. So 2 we have to increase. Suppose the answer is 65. So we have to increase 5. So speed is equal to S, T is equal to time. Speed inversely proportional to the time. S is equal to K by T. ST is equal to K. ST is equal to K. So this I will convert into exact doing. Yes. Do you?
अच्छा देखो
That I'm doing. Now see, wait, beta, I'm trying myself. Wait. Okay. So S is equal to 60. S is equal to 60. T is equal to 8. S is equal to question. T is equal to 7.5. So 7 into 60 divide by plus 30 divided by 60. Why? 7 hours means 60 into 60 minute and plus 30 minute half hour divided by 60. 6 sevens are 42. 42 plus 30. So 450 divided by 6. This cancel. With 3. 3 15s are 3 2s are. This you can take or directly half. 7.5 hours you can take. Time is 7.5, it is 15 by 2. So 60 into 8, it is K. Now K here, S is not given, T is given, K is given. Thirty-two twos are. This is kilometer per hour. So starting speed was 60 kilometer. Final speed is 64 kilometer. So speed 1 60 kilometer per hour. Speed 2 64 kilometer per hour. So the difference 4 kilometer hour. 4 kilometer per hour, that they have to increase to reach in 7.5 hours. For 8 hours 60 kilometer per hour, for 7.5 hours 64 kilometer per hour. So how much it will increase, that they have asked. So 4, take the screenshot and then tell me which exercise you want me to repeat or which is remaining. Now I am connecting mobile. Don't worry. Okay, now tell me which exercise you want me to do. 7, 6, 7, 8, I think it is clear. Now, say now which exercise you want. Quadrilateral finish, variation finish, factorization, any part remain. Tell me. Say next, page number, sum number.
सर हो गया, जाओ अभी चालू होगा। सर शाम को आता होगा फ्लोर 5।
Sum number, page number. Question number 3. Question number 3 बेटा। 6 पर 33, page number 33. (6.1) in that one. I am not getting beta. Some number. M square minus n square. M square mn plus n square m plus n cube square m cube n cube. Don't make twice. So what is the answer of this? A plus b, a minus b, m plus n, m minus n. This is m square, mn plus n square. Now this is 2 times m plus n. What is the Nidhi? Nidhi Nidhi, close your mic. I can't remove from here. This is m minus n, m square plus mn plus n square. See, this same I have written, this I have split up. A square minus b square means a plus b, a minus b. This I have split up means bracket square 2 times. And a cube minus b cube. This plus formula for minus, here minus and here plus. So which are the same? That I will cancel. Only one remain, m plus n remain. This is the answer. Next question. Okay, got. P cube minus P plus 1 cube. So P cube minus no, my frequency is full now here. Wait for 10 seconds. Stable होने दो जरा. So what is the answer of this? It is p cube 3p square 3p plus 1. Full formula of this: p cube plus 3p p square plus 3p plus 1 square, 1 cube means 1. Now open the bracket. P cube minus, if it is minus, change all the sign. This cancel. This is the answer.